structure.
Thank you very much.
Dave is filled with anxieties.
What the hell am I afraid of? I told myself I used to jump out of planes in here.
It's about skill,
See this attitude that you're giving me right now?
passion, and potential. It's gonna be a hard school. What did I get myself?
Você se dá de se põe também no mundo, senão sabe pegar um dia de ver isso, vai esquecer.